Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Three things I love: mushrooms, onions, and cheese. So I decided to put this together. It's a French onion mushroom, kind of a soup, ultimate comfort food, and incredibly delicious. So easy to make. So let me walk you through this. Okay, to kick things off here, I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan. And this is over medium-high heat. Add in half a white onion that I've chopped up. Now you can use the onion of your choice. I just like white onions. And we're going to fry them until they're translucent. Now the onions are translucent and a little bit brown. I'm gonna add in, I'd say about 3 sprigs of thyme, salt and pepper, and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And about 20 whole button mushrooms. So we're just gonna give this a stir around, just until the spices activate. And the mushrooms become soft and a little bit translucent. Alright, the mushrooms are soft now, so I'm going to add in a cup of chicken stock. And we're just going to bring this to a boil. Okay, after a boil, I'm going to grate in some cheese, and I'm using Swiss here, but you can use Gruyere, mozzarella, whatever you like. And I'd say this is, it's about half a cup or so. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and garnish it up with some fresh chopped parsley. And there you have it, our French onion mushroom. Believe me, this looks and smells absolutely stunning. Okay, we're going to go ahead and serve this up in a soup bowl. Grate a little more cheese over the top. Now this is totally optional, but it's nice. And of course, a bit more parsley. Absolutely gorgeous. And let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Absolutely delicious. I love the mushroom, I love the cheese. The broth is incredible. The onions, you gotta make this. You just have to make this. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Anything you want to cook, you'll find there. Thanks for watching and thanks for subbing, and we'll see you next time.